Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We're going to be using one of our brand new fabulous houses to demonstrate a really nice simple card. So first of all, let's ink up our lovely fairy house in the black. This is just a white multifarious card that I'm stamping onto. And I'm going to pop that down just off centre and give that a good press. And the detail in that has worked out so well. They really are nicely detailed stamps. I stamped one of these earlier and cut it out, just some card. And when I've cut it out, I've just taken the very edge off. So just inside. I would never think about cutting this bit out, so you don't need to worry about any of the detail too much. And I'm going to place that, and then using my stencil brush and Bermuda, inking up, I'm going to take some off and start really lightly and then work my way around the house. Keep a tight, firm grip on your mask so it doesn't move. And now, taking our moon mask, I'm just going to pop that down round about there. And then using the Sundance, remember to take that off first. Just swirl your brush inside, and that will give us a nice sun or moon, whichever you would like. And then using the yellow, I'm just going to go down that one side of the house. And then I'm taking the Bermuda over the back of the house. And again, this just makes it a little bit more three-dimensional. Now I'm going to put that back over the top, and I'm using a little foliage stamp, and I'm going to ink up in the twilight, and then take off and just start stamping. Going back to the Bermuda again and bringing in even more depth. This will really make our fairy house stand out. Lastly now, I am going to stamp up our lovely poppies. So I'm going to ink the stems in green, and then I'm going to ink the flowers in that lovely glamorous red stroke pink. It's a really nice colour actually. I'm going to pop my mask down because I don't want to stamp over the top of the house, and I'm going to just pop that in the sun. Give that a good press. So I think we'll use a little Posca on this as well. What I'm going to do is a few little dots. I think dots always make it look a little bit more magical somehow. And we can have a little worded stamp. And there we go. It's really that easy, quick and easy to do. Well, I hope you have enjoyed today's demo, and I hope that it's inspired you to go away and try something like this yourselves. Thank you so much for joining me today. You take care. Bye for now.